So I'm having to do some more wintertime preparations. Let me show you what I did. This is a bathroom window. Now when this room was built on, they didn't caulk anything. Not a single thing. Above the baseboards, below the baseboards, right up here at the ceiling wasn't caulked. And so that first winter that we spent in this house, boy, was that evident. So I went around, and it took me a long time to caulk every single thing in this room. Everything in this room. Well, this window wasn't caulked either. Wasn't caulked when it was put in. On the outer side or the inner side. So I knew I was going to have to do something, because that was cold as could be. And I know they sell kits that's plastic, and it has little cardboard things, and you can go around and put that up with little tacks. But look what I did. I went down to Family Dollar this morning, and I bought a textured shower curtain that's clear. And I came home and I cut it to fit this window, which is 38 by 52. And I held it up there and I stapled it all the way around. And look, y'all. Look how pretty that looks. I turned the light off just now so you could see. I still get light in my room. I still have light. And the sunlight still comes in and shines up the room and brightens up the room during the day. And kind of warms up in here. The sun could still come in and warm the room up. And yet it keeps the cold air out. And there is no air coming through this stuff. I'm telling you, this is really thick and textured. You see what I did? I just stapled it all the way up. Now, and later I'll put some cardboard strips or something all the way down here to hide all these ugly staples. Because I'm going to leave this up here, summer and winter. I don't open this window anyway. It's too low, and it's a bathroom window. So I'm not ever going to open it. But this is my solution. I wish I had done this last year. Because I suffered. I suffered coming in this bathroom. And I love the way it looks. It's just a cheap shower curtain from a dollar store. You cut it to fit and staple it up there. And it's really pretty. How about that?